Out of the way, guys. Snake off the field.
Okay, here.
You can move those sticks out of the way if you want, Austin.
Go. Yeah.
It's like curling.
Do it.
I see you, Austin.
No, it didn't break.
It just has a little crack.
You're okay.
Here, put it down and go again. Put it in the middle. No, get it straight. Get it straight.
No fluid coming out or not?
That's okay.
Good one,
Wow.
It's turning. It's mine.
Okay. Go, Austin.
Oh my gosh, this is only your second push.
Wow. Oh.
Look out, look out.
It's Austin's. Keep going. This is the second push. This is the second push. Second push. Oh my.
Oh!
Okay, put it in the middle. Move.
You can move it over the crack. No, you can't move it down. You have to start it up at the crack.
Good job.
A little bit, yeah. Yeah, all that stuff
Guys, get it back.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, nice!
Nice. Sweet.
Where's the finish line?
Right.
Is it?
Here we go to me.
Three pushes!